Hi, hello everybody, and welcome to another video brought to you by me, Jack, VintageElectronicsGeek.com. Today's video, I have a message that I need to relay to you from Dawn. I'm a junk collector. I have the message up here on the screen, as you could see, for my visually impaired subscribers. Let me go ahead and read that to you. Hi Jack, yesterday we took Holly to the ER. She has pneumonia and septic shock. She nearly died. She's improving today. They got her blood pressure up and begun treatment for sepsis and pneumonia infections. I think she may not be in shock now, but damage control could take a week or longer. She is in ICU. We knew very little about sepsis, but we all had the nasty flu this month. Holly ended up with pneumonia and then it infected her blood. I may not be posting on YouTube for a while. Feel free to let people know. There will be updates on Edie Dresch on Facebook, Dawn. Now, I do not have a link for Edie's Facebook page. I do not do Facebook, so I cannot find it for you. If anybody has that link, go ahead and feel free to post it, and I'll put it up in the description. So our thoughts and prayers are with Dawn and Edie, and we're wishing Holly a speedy recovery. Feel free to leave comments here or send directly to Dawn. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye.